What's up guys, welcome back to Stained Glass DIY. So last time we left off where we cut our glass pieces to our Tipi design, and I'll link that video down below for you if you haven't seen that yet. So today we'll take these pieces to the grinder and clean them up a bit and also do some copper foiling tape to get them ready for that soldering process. So the tools we need today are a glass grinder and some copper foil tape in silver backing 7/32 of an inch width. We're going with the silver since I won't be doing any patina on it this time. Also, you'll need a fid to work that copper foil tape onto the glass. So that's it. Let's get to it.
Okay, so before we get started, I just got this thing. This is a Carborundum Stone. It is a grinding stone that we can use to grind our glass. And so that means if it works out, we could save some time and maybe not even use the glass grinder. I'm thinking, let's try it out and see how it works. So let's go for it. So it feels like it's working, but mostly it's just to smooth out the edges here. It won't be as sharp to the touch. So it is working, but very slowly. Let's try this guy. So yeah, it does take material off, but I would suggest if you have a grinder, you know what, let's get the grinder out. Oh man, the glass grinder, it really is a time saver, especially for somebody new like me or anyone else who's just starting out. It's gonna save you so much time in all your work. So grab it used, get a new one, but you'll be thankful that you have it. Otherwise, we'd still be grinding on that Carborundum Stone and probably just tiring ourselves out for no reason. Okay, so these pieces are looking pretty good and it's pretty straightforward in the grinding process, except for this yellow piece which is sticking out a bit on the bottom. So I'm gonna nibble away at it with the grazing pliers and clean it up so it lines up nicely on that bottom edge. But otherwise it's lining up right and it's looking pretty good. So let's give them a quick rinse and dry them off completely, and then we'll be ready for the next step for copper foiling. Okay, we've got our copper foil tape with the silver backing. So take the tape and stick it onto the edge of the glass as evenly as possible and work your way around all the way till you get back to the beginning, and then cut that off, and then we'll use our fid tool to burnish it onto the glass to make it nice and smooth. And of course we'll do this with the rest of them, and then we'll be done with the copper foiling.
Alright guys, we got our pieces foiled, so next time we're going to do some soldering work to put everything together. So hit that like button if you like glass grinding, subscribe so we can hang out again of course, and I'll see you guys next time where we do some soldering.